Today we're going to be taking a look at this device right here, and stick through to the end of this video because we're going to be giving away one of these, but also we're going to be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card. Alright guys, so today is going to be a little bit of a how-to video, but also a demonstration on how this product works. So when I first started my first YouTube channel, I actually used this quite a bit back in Arkansas to get great B-roll. Now this video is definitely not sponsored, but they did send me this product for free to do some video content on, and so I want you guys to know that, but everything that I'm going to be saying in this video is my own opinion, and they do not get to review this video before it's posted. So the product itself is very simple. You get the Dolly itself, but then you also get a remote control to control it. You get a manual, and then you get the charger and an extra elastic band in case one of these fall off of the wheels. Now with that, you also get this piece right here, which allows you to attach your camera or your phone to this device to act as a motorized dolly slider, like the shot I have over here today. So again, it's super easy. All you do is screw it on, and then you would screw your camera onto this plate right here. But since I'm filming with both of my cameras today, I'm actually gonna be using my smartphone, which is something that's actually very useful for something like this, because if you don't have a camera, you can still get incredible shots with just your smartphone and this device. Now the only thing is that it does not come with a phone mount, and so if you guys need one, check out the link below in the description to some that I recommend. So you attach your phone, and it's really that easy. So basically what you do is you have these dials over here, and you want to line up each wheel to those dials, and then what that will allow you to do is get a perfect orbit around any item, any product that you're trying to record. And with this remote control, you get 3 different settings that you can use, but also you have those same options available on the side of the device, and you can click the speed setting to change the speed that it orbits an object or does a dolly around an object. Whatever speed you want, you can choose that on the side of the dolly or using a remote control. Now also with this remote control, you can change the way that it goes, but also it has a stop and go button so that you can start it without touching the device. All right guys, so with that being said, let's get this guy charged up and get some B-roll shots. So as you guys saw, you can really get some cool and interesting shots with this device. Now I did do an add-on attachment so that I can adjust the angle of the camera or the smartphone like I was using today, and you can find that device linked below in the description. So now it's time for the giveaway details. We're gonna be doing 2 winners. One is gonna be winning an Amazon gift card. The other person is gonna be receiving this device that we talked about today. And to enter into the giveaway, you have to go over to the links below in my description, follow the steps. All you have to do is follow my Instagram account, subscribe to this account, and then comment done down below to enter into the giveaway. This giveaway will only be available for 48 hours, so go ahead and get your entries in quick so that you can be entered in the giveaway. Thank you guys for checking out this video today, and with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.